Hello guys and welcome back. Ignore that I have a weave and I'm talking about Igbo women hairstyle. Well, this is the contemporary style these days. However, let's get back in time. Now, Igbo hairstyles are beautiful and one of a kind. Sometimes they might seem like the normal hairstyle from different countries, but the backstories and their origins set them apart from other hairstyles you see out there. When it comes to the Igbo society and our hair, when it comes to the women, our hair is just a crown of glory. We have different accessories, different oils that we put into our hair to bring forth the glory and the shine and the dark black coils that you see out there. Now, before we talk about back in the days, let's talk about now. You might see an Igbo woman and you're thinking, well, I just see her wearing wig or weaves or different styles of hair. That is true. Nowadays, we can achieve these hairstyles with attachments, which we call extensions, with threads and many more, and even with some beads to decorate it and make it more contemporary. But these were from back in the days and they've evolved to follow the trend. But if you still go back to Nigeria, you will see many women who still make these Igbo hairstyles. And if you go to secondary schools and primary schools, you will see a lot of the children have these hairstyles. In the Igbo culture, these hairstyles, they show the women's attractiveness and their power. So you understand what I mean when it comes to beauty. And women basically style their hairs differently based on the occasions they're going to, because then it has to match and you have to show forth your beauty, you know? Now, what hairstyles are we talking about? So we have the Ngala hairstyle. This hairstyle represents pride and beauty. This hairstyle shows the ego, the pride of a lady. It just shows you the standard or the level this lady is operating at. Then we have Ishintuku. Ishintuku is very, very popular in the Igbo culture. A lot of girls, a lot of young women who have short hair make this hair. This is the go-to hairstyle because your hair is short basically, and the only way to show forth its beauty is to use some threads and make Ishintuku. You can decorate them with coral beads. Next, we have Ojongo hairstyle. Now, if you've seen some paintings of Igbo women back in the mid-20th century, you will see that this is the hairstyle they have mostly in these paintings. It was popular up until the mid-20th century. It's no more popular now. For this hairstyle, women used threads, feathers, shells, bone, wood, beads, Igbo currency, which the Igbo money, coins, and even fabric. Even colorful mods like yellow, red mods, palm oil, and charcoals. So basically, this is a lot, isn't it? They use all these things to decorate the hair back in the days. P.S. My daughter's awake, so you might hear her in the background or you might hear Coco Melon. Just play along. Next, we have Ishowu. Ishowu is very, very popular, the same as Ishintuku. The difference is that Ishowu is majorly done by older women. In fact, actually, Ishowu is done by almost everyone, even the kids as well. But Ishintuku is mainly done for kids because they are mainly the ones who have short hair. Because in secondary schools, you have to cut the hair, and even some primary. And some parents just do it out of preference, or if the child doesn't like having their hairs braided. So the hairs are normally kept short, so it's easier to do Ishintuku. Anyway, Ishowu is basically done with thread, similar to Ishintuku, but Ishowu, you basically turn, how do I say, spin, turn, tie, you tie, yes, the hair, round and round and round and round, up all the way from the root to the tip with Ishowu. But Ishintuku is just at the root, so you can form some balls for the hair. Currently, Ishowu is very, very popular still, especially among women, married women alike, some secondary school children. Then mainly in the churches, a lot of churches don't allow weaves and weave-ons and extensions. So the women basically do threading, which is Ishowu. This hairstyle is popularly known to help your hair grow. It also helps to help your hair stretch. So if you don't want to put heat in your hair, you can use wool or thread to wrap your hair around. And then when you take it out, your hair has stretched basically, and it seems longer, but it just means it has stretched and is no more as short as it was due to shrinkage. Also, if you watch some TikTok videos these days, people do this. It's popular on TikTok now. They use it as a way to protectively straighten the hair without heat. So you can check it out. Unfortunately, guys, I noticed that some of my video that I made was deleted and I can't find them. So I'm going to finish the video on here for you. Right, so the last one we have is Ishaka. Ishaka is basically braiding, which you can braid the hair all back or with different designs and styles. This is very popular in the Igbo culture. However, now it's very popular all around the world. You will see many women in different countries from different cultures with braided hair. Just know that this is also part of the Igbo hair. All right, that will be all. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and I will bring you more videos. I hope you learned a lot from this one. See you next time. Bye.